I wasn't allowed to film this shot, so I built it using Adobe Stock AI Studio. Sometimes we're faced with limitations in our creative process. It can be time, resources, budget, or a flat-out filming restriction, like in Antelope Canyon. I want to show you how using tools like Adobe Stock AI Studio can make the impossible possible. It doesn't replace creative work, but it rather supports and enhances it. Our workflow starts with a real, licensable Adobe Stock asset that we're going to refine and adjust to fit exactly what I need using AI features. Now, there are over 900 million artist-developed stock assets to license, edit, transform, and deliver right within Adobe Stock. I'll give you a quick look at some of the options available in Adobe Stock AI Studio, but with a main focus and demonstration on two features: change color and the animate image feature. First, let's search for a photo of Antelope Canyon. Now, photos are allowed in the canyon, so there are many to choose from. It's just not many video options. And for the record, limited video options is something I personally run into a lot, regardless of the restrictions, especially when traveling and trying to capture everything in a very limited amount of time. Next, select the photo that you'd like to edit, and I'll be honest, I peeked at these in a previous search and I like this one the best. There are several options on the left here, like type to edit, remove background, expand image, animate image, and change color. I definitely recommend trying these out for yourself, or you can check out the other Adobe Stock AI Studio videos that demonstrate exactly how these work. For now, let's head into change color. This is how you can recolor a stock image using one of the preset palettes or your own custom palette using hex codes. This is a great way to quickly tweak an asset so it stays cohesive with the rest of whatever project you're working on. No manual recoloring is required. It's a fast and easy way to test out different looks without completely starting from scratch. In this case, I'm going to select my own color palette. Hit generate, and here's my final image. Now that the color is closer to what I need for my project, I'm going to make it into a video clip. Head back into the edit panel and hit animate image. The AI is essentially going to take this image and add some smooth camera movement. Motion adds energy to an edit. It makes content more dynamic and engaging, and animate image is a fast and budget-friendly way to do it. You can select the aspect ratio here, whether you'd like this vertical or horizontal, and then the resolution. Animate image will always generate a 5-second clip and always at 24 frames per second. Hit generate, and once you're finished, you can preview before downloading or even try out another image generation before making your final download decision. And here's that final clip. And as a refresher, here is our original image, now with our new color style, and now with movement. These tools are great for expanding what's possible in your workflow. So whether that's recreating a shot you couldn't capture, testing out different creative directions, or building out visuals when time or resources are limited, it lets you move faster, experiment more, and still keep everything cohesive to your vision. Try it yourself inside Adobe Stock AI Studio and build the shot you couldn't film.